When is it time for my organization to invest in design operations? Can't think of a better person to ask than one of the founders of the emerging field of design ops, Dave Maloof, co-author of the Design Ops Handbook, co-founder of the Interaction Design Association, and my co-curator for many an Enterprise UX conference and Design Ops Summit. So Dave, let's talk about it. When is it time to really start investing in design ops?
Well, Lou, you already have people doing operations for designers. The question really is when do you start converting that to design operations? It happens when you notice pains in the areas of what tools designers are using, how they work, how they communicate, how they make decisions that all lead to better quality design for the total organization. At my workshop, you're going to learn how to diagnose those pain points and then address them in a way that works for your organization.
Fantastic. We're looking forward to hosting you. The workshop's a day long. It's going to be in New York on June 20th and in San Francisco on September 28th. And I hope you'll join Dave and the Rosenfeld Media team for the Design Operations Essentials Workshop. Just click the URL you'll see here and you'll learn more, or just go to rosenfeldmedia.com if you prefer. Thanks, Dave.